Good morning, guys. So right now it is currently 9:48 and I'm gonna be making my little fat burner slash pre-workout thing. This is something new that I am trying out. It is called the Oxy Shred by EHB Labs. This is only my third time trying it out, so I can't really say too much about it yet, but if you guys want a full in-depth review about this product, then definitely let me know. I got it in the flavor kiwi strawberry, and so far I am liking it. It gives me good, clean energy rather than giving me the jitters, you know what I mean? Take a scoop of this, just one scoop. So it is recommended to drink this first thing in the morning. Make sure to not eat 20 minutes prior or after. Cheers. So I did 40 minutes worth of cardio today. I took a shower, got ready a little bit so I can look presentable for you guys, and now I am gonna make my green smoothie slash juice for you guys, and I want to show you guys how I do it with my new Ozen 310 vacuum blender. I'll go ahead and leave the link where you can purchase the blender down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Before I take you guys to the kitchen, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about the Ozen vacuum blenders. It reduces oxidation, browning, and bubbles to achieve a healthier and better tasting blend. Your blends will never be pulpy, so that way you don't have to get rid of the fibers and the nutrients that are really good for our bodies. Also preserve the natural color of the fruits and veggies. So another cool thing about this blender is that you can keep your juice in the vacuum for a really long time, so you don't have to make a small amount at a time. You can make a big amount, so that way you don't have to keep making your juice every single day or every single time you're craving it. Also, it comes with a recipe book, you guys. The really cool thing is that it tells you the benefits right underneath the title or the name of this smoothie, so that's really, really cool. So for example, today I'm gonna be making a green smoothie, and it tells me that it detoxes, slows aging, and prevents flu. Without further ado, let's go right into the kitchen and make our bomb smoothie. So these are the ingredients that we're gonna be using today. We have half of a pineapple, 2 apples, I have half a lime right here, half a lime right here, de-seeded and peeled basically, 2 handfuls of spinach, and 2 tablespoons of ginger, and 3 cups of apple juice. I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything in there, starting with the pineapples, apples, and the lime. Some spinach, ginger for some energy, and the apple juice. You guys are about to see some magic happen. There you go. And all you gotta do is press this smart button, and what it's doing right now, it's basically vacuuming out the air. Can't really tell, but you know, that's what it's doing. And then once it's done, then it's gonna start blending it. Gonna take this out and release. All right, get your straw ready. It's so good, holy crap. Since we have a lot left over, like I mentioned before, you can just go ahead and keep this in the vacuum. Ooh.
And it's just gonna settle there. Watch, it's gonna rise.
Just click vacuum.
It's going up.
Ooh.
Look, it's going up, it's going up, it's going
So
up.
cool, guys. And you are all done. This is gonna stay fresh for a long time. Just pop it in your fridge and take it out whenever you want. And on top of that, what's cool is that you can just take it in this cup if you want to. I want to thank Pado for sponsoring this video. I am so in love with the blender. Thank you so much, you guys. All right guys, so it is now 1:30 p.m. I'm gonna make my lunch really quick, and it's gonna be simple, of course, and healthy. So you're gonna need some shrimp. I got this from Target. I also got this one from Target. It's like a quinoa mix. So it has quinoa, spinach, garbanzo beans, red peppers, and onions, and you can steam it in the bag. So you just pop it into the microwave and you're good to go. And I believe it has more than one serving. And then I have some lemon pepper here, some garlic powder, parsley flakes, and cayenne pepper. I'm just gonna pop this into the microwave really quickly for 5 minutes. Once the pan is hot, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a few shrimp in there. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of butter, it's about that much. Take some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, lemon pepper, and some parsley flakes. And then just mix everything together. Now that it's done, I'm just gonna open up the bag. Take my 1/2 cup measuring cup right here, and I'm just gonna scoop out the quinoa from the bag. I'm gonna pack it on and just... Okay, so next I'm just gonna take my shrimps and just put them right on top. Alright guys, so we are gonna go ahead and make dinner now. So we are gonna be making some lettuce wrap. Hi! Into the lettuce. I'm gonna add 1 avocado slice per. We need the sauce right here, but we didn't record it for you guys, so sorry about that.